Well, it's a great honor to have been elected today by the Chiefs in Assembly here at the All Ontario Chiefs Conference here in Six Nations territory. I'm humbled and very honored to have been selected today to be the Ontario Regional Chief for the next 3 years. Well, I've spent the last 18 years in community politics in my community of Akwesasne. I was for 9 years a member of my council and 9 years as the Grand Chief. My priority and part of my platform has been about creating relationships with all levels of government, the Ontario government, the federal government. And so I intend to bring, my abilities and skills to create relationships, to forge partnerships, to find solutions, work with our partners, whether it be government or non-government, to the Office of Regional Chief. It's quite clear that the Chiefs want to have a regional advocacy body that's going to support their regional priorities, but also that's going to continue to bring together the region in which we represent. There's been a quite clear message that different parts of our region feel like they're not being heard, and it's going to be my part of my mission is to make sure that they're being heard and that we're bringing their voices at all levels of government so that they're adequately represented. Well, I do want to thank all of the chiefs for traveling down here to the Six Nations of the Grand River and the Haudenosaunee territory and participating in the All Ontario Chiefs Conference here. We had a quite high number of chief and proxies, so that is great to see. And I can, I can say, Goa to my supporters, to all of the chiefs, but as well, everything that I have said during the campaign speeches or the speeches that were given to all the candidates and all of the questions that I've answered, that is the leadership style that I bring to the Office of Regional Chief, and that is what I'm committed to doing over the next 3 years.